Hello and welcome to Tech Leveler. My name's Lee and today I have another iPhone tutorial. Having trouble with your iPhone speaker sounding too low? Well, I'm going to show you how to fix the speaker sound when it's too low. So the first thing we need to do is head to the iPhone settings. Then you want to come down and select accessibility. Now within accessibility, you want to find touch. Then you want to come down to call audio routing. And here you want to make sure it's selected to automatic. You want to make sure nothing is routed to any Bluetooth headset or anything like that. Then we can want to come back to the main accessibility settings and want to come down to hearing devices. So let's find that here. And again, you want to make sure nothing is selected here. So if you have any hearing devices that you've connected to, you want to disconnect them, unless obviously you need them connected. Let's come back to the main settings. Now let's select sound and haptics. Then you want to come down to the bottom here, headphone safety. And if this reduced loudness is turned on like that, you want to make sure this is turned off. Or you can actually turn it on and make sure it's bumped up to a little louder. But I always have it turned off. Now the last thing you can try is pressing the side buttons, the volume up and the volume down. You want to bump this right up. Or you can swipe down from the top right hand corner to bring up the control center. And you can turn the volume right up there. Now another thing what a lot of people say they have problems with is that the speakers on the bottom of your iPhone and the earpiece at the top of your iPhone get dirt and gunk in them. So what you want to do is you want to clean these with something like a toothpick or something like that. And if you have a case on, this can happen even worse. So take the case off and give everything a really good clean. Then the last step is to obviously reset your iPhone. So you can turn it off and this will power down the iPhone and then power it back on. This should give your iPhone a reset and that should sort all the problems with the phone speaker being too low.